Hey there, welcome and welcome back. So आज का हमारा Start It Right session आपको बोरियत से दूर और productivity के पास ले जाएगा. It's a list of some really interesting applications that would definitely grab a part of your attention in the era of quarantine boredom. And the best part comes here. We have 2 bonus apps at the end of this video. So do watch this video till the end, and अगर आपने हमारे channel को subscribe नहीं किया है, so subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified about our new videos. So this list has been categorized into 3 categories. First, fun and social. All the people with the major FOMOs, this will be your saver board. So our first app is Photo Rowlet. अब इस ऐप में you and your friends will be on the screen guessing out the random pictures popping from the camera roll of each other. The more right answers you get, the more are your points. So let's just all spill the beans. Our next app is Duplicat. This is an amazing face swap app where with just one selfie, you can personalize all your favorite GIFs. So just swap, share and hype. Now, as much as we want you to have fun, we also don't want you to become an addict. Which brings me to the usage tracker and time management apps. The first on the list is Activity Bubbles. Google का ये app tells you कि बेटा बहुत हो गया अब by dropping bubbles in your wallpaper depending on your device usage time. जितना ज़्यादा usage उतना बड़ा bubble, and try not to get your screen all covered with the bubbles by the end of the day. Our second app is Skedit. It is basically a scheduling app जिसमें आप अपने WhatsApp messages, emails, calls beforehand schedule कर सकते हैं, and you can auto send messages or even get reminders of making important calls. You will just simply set the date, time and repetitions, which makes you one notification away from not missing out any important task. Important tasks remind me of how important physical fitness and mental wellness have become these days. Which brings me to the fitness and wellness apps. So we have Nike Training Club. It is an application with 185 plus free workouts providing personalized training plans that you can do anytime and anywhere with the aid of video guidance from trainers and athletes. So with the physical health, emotional wellness is equally important. So we bring to you the next app, Youper. You can always have an AI assistant to take care and have quick conversations that can change your day. For as long as you use this app, you will learn to take control of your mental health by tracking your anxiety and mood levels and get personalized meditation to be a better you. Now here we come to the end of our list. Yeah, we remember our promises, and here are the 2 bonus apps. The first one is Screenshot Go. An amazing application to manage the mess of your screenshots. You can actually search your screenshots using keywords, copy the text from the screenshots for web search, share, or more activities. The last app is Wi-Fi AR. Don't be the Dora exploring your place for the Wi-Fi signals, because with this app you can literally get a 3-dimensional depiction of your Wi-Fi signals and strengths. So just sit and use the Wi-Fi right. This brings us to the real end of this video, and the link of all the applications will be shared in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, comment down the apps you are using, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned, start it right.